Oh my, it definitely snowed. I'm all layered up and dressed and about to go. It's like 5:50 a.m. and my coworker slash boss called and said that she's on her way and she's gonna cover and just to stay home. Doesn't even look that bad. I really wouldn't have minded going at all. Is it weird that I'm disappointed I didn't go into work today? Now what? I guess I can go back to sleep if that's possible. It's not really snowing hard. It kind of like freezing rain sometimes. We'll go out. I just wish we had like gear. Pants that are warm and like boots. Just boots at least. We don't have boots, so we're not gonna venture far, but it's still coming down. And it just was so windy that it coated the balcony all the way up to the door. I came into the room and Huda's watching a video on her phone.
Yes.
And every time she has a completely different obsession.
I didn't say it was an obsession. I literally...
It's gonna be an obsession now.
No, it's not.
What are you watching?
So, I was working out, and the spot in my back that's like, it's like, feels like it's connected diagonally
to my neck, so that whenever I go left on my neck, it like pulls it and it like pulses. So I was like, what is that? I need to figure out like what's been happening for a while. So I started Google searching like back pain, neck to the shoulder, when you're not sure left. I was like, it probably helped find exactly which muscle this was, or like what it's connected to, etc. So I searched up like a muscle diagram of the back, and I was like, it probably helped find how these muscles moved, so I could tell when I'm moving which muscle it is. So I searched up videos and like how the muscle's moving, and now I'm like, oh, anatomy would help.
So I'm
watching an anatomy video. That's what she's doing.
Anatomy's cool.
I remember when we had snow days when we were little. The house would be so warm because it was like the old like water pipes.
I know the heater.
In good old Jersey City. Yeah, and then go to the park, play with the snow. Okay, let's take a look. So much for Armageddon blizzard. Well, it's a little high. I have to dig out my car because it's definitely back to work tomorrow, except for today, which I'm so grateful that I have such an amazing coworker slash boss who came in for me. I'm so out of shape. It's gonna take me forever to dig myself out of this. Oh shoot. I'm getting there. And this is an involuntary exercise. Whew. And I am out of shape. Decently dug out, just in time for us to see a beautiful sunset. Oh, I'm so out of shape, and I'm sweating. Oh yeah, that's deep. Oh yeah. I'm feeling very thirsty and I regret not bringing my water bottle with me, but then I remembered I have all this snow and there's not a single footstep here. It's all untouched and white, so whoa. Adventures and survival. It's like a dream come true right in my backyard. glowing again. It's so magical. You made bread.
It's fluffier.
Oh my god,
I'm gonna
coming
just
home
put
to
some
bread.
butter on top of them.
And I'm fasting. So like my energy level was like, whoa. Yeah, so I'm like hungry. But I'm not like ravenous, but I felt like, oh yeah, I haven't eaten all
better
day.
than yesterday's.
But they got dinner already. And I just came out of the shower. And I feel so good. Okay, yeah, it's dinner time. I'm gonna get dressed and then we'll eat. Cause it's 8 o'clock. Thank you, Huda. My first bite of food for today. So good. It's much later now. We're getting ready to go to sleep.
Yes.
Tomorrow's back to work.
Yep. Right.
Yep. I'm all ready to go. I look like so weird. I got a towel. It's a t-shirt towel. It's called plopping. It's the curly girl method. And I got a bunch of Vaseline all over my face for moisturizing. So I'll see you tomorrow. Brand new chance of adventure. Brand new chance of becoming the best version of my shiny faced self. So I'll see you then. Good night.